Welcome back to 706 Farms. We have part 2 of the toilet over there. Thank you, cameraman Anthony. We're back with the Glock 43, chambered in 9mm. We're not doing hollow point this time. This is a full metal jacket. So yeah. Oh, no ear press. This is going to be loud. I missed. Oh, I did? All right, so I shot the toilet seat. Went right through here and came out the back. Anthony's turn. Woo! So that's the entry wound. And there's the exit.
Yeah, that's all of it.
Hunk of lead. Alright, my turn again.
Not the first. Slow when you squeeze the trigger. Get the dots lined up.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, that's a lot of mud divers nesting there.
Yeah.
You're a good shot, Anthony.
It went the float.
Oh, did you actually hit the float?
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
See that ricochet? See, that should have went through.
Boy, you hit it right there.
Man, that's not fair.
And it hit the float and it went into the... I saw all of that jump when you hit it.
Is it still in there?
Yeah, you're not gonna find that in there. Damn. Somewhere down in the bottom on this side.
Oh, I see it, look. You see where it hit the bottom.
Oh shit, you can.
Maybe it's
Yeah, that might.
here.
Oh! Hello, Mr. Spider. Anthony shooting. Little flex seal, little flex tape, you know.
Hold on. Yeah, little flex seal.
We got another 6 in here, and it's already reloaded, so we'll take fire.
Oh, you. Oh, that's tough.
You barely
Barely making it.
Ow! Fucking ricocheted!
The end of that, probably. My neck hurts like really bad.
Oh, dude!
Oh, that got you good, huh?
Well, thank you for watching. That was pretty fun. I'm glad I could bring another firearm. You heard it here, folks. It was pretty fun, and I gotta admit, it was pretty fun. You know, if you've never shot a toilet before, I recommend it. You know, I mean,
You might get hit. Honestly.
yeah, you might get hit with shrapnel. But you know, thank you for watching. I don't know. Bye.